Ever wondered why we snore in our sleep? Well, let me break it down for you. When we hit the sack, our muscles relax, including those in our throat. As we breathe in and out, the soft tissues at the back of our throat can vibrate, causing that familiar snoring sound. Factors like being overweight, alcohol consumption, and even allergies can make snoring worse. Interestingly, men are more likely to snore than women due to differences in anatomy. Snoring can also be a sign of sleep apnea, a serious condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. So, next time you hear someone sawing logs, remember, there's a lot more to snoring than meets the ear.